Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So are you looking for a software engineering job at one of the top global banks? Barclays is hiring in Pune. If you have a Java, Spring and SQL expertise, this could be your golden opportunity to kickstart your career. So in this video, I will cover everything you need to know from job responsibility to skills required and how you can apply. So stay tuned till the end for some pro tips on making your application stand out. Let's dive in. So the job title of this particular role is going to be of software engineer in Barclays, Pune, India. Job posting was 18th of Feb 2025, so you can apply as soon as possible so that you don't miss any this opportunity to start with such a wonderful organization. Job type is permanent and business area of this role is markets post-trade technology. So basically Barclays is actively hiring software engineers to lead and manage engineering teams to develop high quality software solutions and drive technical excellence in financial technology. If you are passionate about innovation and want to work on cutting edge projects with necessary skill sets, then the role is perfect for you. So let's understand about the key responsibilities. But before that, they have mentioned some of the key points of the skill set to be successful in this role. As you can see on your screen, they have mentioned over here to be successful of this role, you must have a Java knowledge along with the Spring Boot, which is the backend framework of Java, and of course SQL knowledge is mandatory along with a very good communication skill and containerization knowledge like Kubernetes, Docker, etc. So they have also mentioned some other high valued skills that, of course, you should be fluent in communication with a very good teamwork skill, and the problem solving skill, analytical skills are also desirable in this role. So they are telling that you may be accessed on the basis of critical event success role, etc. So now let's directly jump to the responsibility section that they have mentioned over here. So this is going to be your day-to-day responsibilities that leading engineering teams and managing projects timeline, risk, resources, mentor and guide team members while maintaining high software quality, optimizing workflow and enhance engineering processes, collaborating with product managers, designers, and business partners. You will also be maintaining Barclays technology standards and best practices. You would also be working on the high impact digital transformation on projects. So technical skills that they already mentioned that I told you that you have those knowledge, but along with that they have also mentioned some analyst expectations that you should have some impact on this related terms with the area, partner with other functions and business areas, taking responsibilities for end results, etc. So this is all about the roles and responsibilities, the skill sets required, and the benefits and the expectation, extra expectations from you. So why once you join Barclays? So Barclays is one of the world's leading financial institutions, and as a software engineer, you will get to work with the cutting edge technologies like machine learning, blockchain, cloud computing. You'll also be working with the high performance computers for grades. You will also benefit from Barclays' hybrid work culture, flexible working hours, and top tier employee benefits, making it an ideal workplace for tech professionals like you. So how you can apply? The link for the same I would be mentioning in the description. Do check out as soon as possible and apply if your roles, if your skills matches with this particular role. So that's it. This is a fantastic opportunity for software engineers looking to make an impact in the fintech world. Even if you are a fresher with the necessary skill set in Java, backend, and basic knowledge of Docker and Kubernetes, so this is going to be a very good opportunity to showcase your skill sets and and land a job at a very prestigious organization. So don't wait, go and apply today and let me know in the comment section if you would like to know more about the job updates like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily job opportunities in tech and analytics. See you in the next video.